Ano yung mga usual challenges mo pag nag-me-meeting ka with the CNO, CEO, and other staff?
Yung ganong meeting namin, there's actually it's a matter of teamwork. You know, we pull together and see what we can do for this patient and how we can also prevent further costs for the hospital kung unnecessary na yung stay nila. I have an example here where we had a patient. Usually kasi pagka-surgery, pagka nanggaling sa isang ospital, sa isang doktor, usually yung ibang tao, ayaw na nilang i-handle yon. So kung nagkaroon ng complications, kumbaga nangyayari sa mga between the doctors, teka lang, ayokong medyo alangan akong i-handle yan kasi complication na to eh. So, i-send back natin yung pasyente dun sa kung sino yung gumawa niyan para siya yung makapag-ayos din. So there was a point in time na I had a patient, nagkakaroon